Ever notice how 11:11 feels like the universe winking at you? Make a wish, the timing's right, you are in the alignment. Now imagine that same energy scaled to a date, 11:11. That is 11th November. It started with students at Nanjing University in China back in 1993. Just a playful singles day joke because the date is all ones. A stack of ones for all the single ones. Fast forward to 2009. Alibaba turns that inside joke into 24-hour shopping carnival. And boom, a culture moment becomes a commerce machine. From there, it went global. In India and beyond, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Nykaa, everybody jump in. Even brands we all know, Nike, Samsung, Apple's partner stores, roll out 11:11 promos. So today, it's less about being single and more about one thing: massive can't miss discounts. Why does it work? Its catchy date sits perfectly before the holiday season and triggers that I'll never get that price again feeling we all know too well. Last year alone, the global e-commerce sales on Singles Day crossed $200 billion. That is almost 2 lakh crore in Indian rupees. What began as campus banter is now one of the world's largest shopping frenzies. But I still wonder, when a sneaker drops 60%, we sprint. When quality assets like stock or crypto drop 60%, we panic. But why? If a depreciating thing on discount feels like a steal, why doesn't a productive or scarce asset on discount feels like an opportunity? Think about it. That pair of shoes loses value the moment you step out of the showroom. But a strong project or a solid asset bought in red can recover and multiply by 3x to 5x over a full cycle if the fundamentals hold. Sales for stuff that fades and sales for assets that can grow. Same brain, different outcome. Train your mind to spot the difference. Quick note, this is education, not a buy signal. No financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. So next time you see 11:11 or 11:11, timing feels magical, but decisions still need logic. Treat market dips like sale days, but with a checklist, not emotions. By the way, what are your thoughts? Put down in comments below and follow for more simple and clear crypto explainers. This is Crypto with Akash. Until next time.